Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to put your iPhone 7 into recovery mode. Super easy, step by step. Whether you're fixing a software issue or need to restore your phone, I've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Cut to a close-up of iPhone 7 in hand, pressing buttons. First things first, you need to power off your iPhone 7. Press and hold the sleep-wake button, that's the button on the right side, until you see the slide to power off screen. Go ahead and slide that to the right. Now, grab your lightning cable and connect your iPhone 7 to your computer. Make sure your computer has iTunes installed, or if you're on a Mac running macOS Catalina or later, you'll use Finder. Here's where the magic happens. With your iPhone connected, press and hold the volume down button. While holding that, press and hold the sleep-wake button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. It'll look like a cable and the iTunes or Finder logo. Now, on your computer, iTunes or Finder will recognize your iPhone is in recovery mode. You'll get two options, update or restore. If you just want to fix an issue without losing your data, choose update. But if you want a fresh start, click restore. Couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If your iPhone exits recovery mode on its own, no worries. Just repeat the steps and make sure your iTunes or Finder is up to date to avoid any issues when restoring or updating. For more information, you can visit our website, Unlocktherapy. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or video requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.